This is Doug Leifert presenting for Team Sudo. I'm our Scrum Master, Himanshu Pant is our product owner, and Justine Wang and Peter Maxey are software engineers. We built a mobile application called Einstein using Ionic 3 and Angular 4 on the front end, and Google Firebase on the back end for database and authentication. The idea behind our app is that there are many people in remote locations who don't have access to good education. However, most of them do have good access to mobile internet connection. So our app Einstein aims to connect those remote learners with volunteer tutors to help teach math. So here we're on our main questions feed. This is where all the asked questions can be seen. We have some ways of filtering the questions by clicking the buttons in the top to view only open questions or only closed questions. So if we click open here, these are all the open questions. Closed questions will be questions that a user got a good answer for and marked as closed themselves after they're satisfied. We have a search bar where you can search for a specific question to see if one has already been asked. Here we can filter by categories. So we can look at just geometry questions, or we can look at only algebra questions. So next we're going to click this Ask a Question button here to show how asking a question works. We're going to ask a really simple question for now to show off our Einstein bot, which uses Google AI.AI and automatically answers very simple questions for the user. So now we asked a really basic question and didn't provide enough info, so the bot is asking us what shape do we want to find the area of. So we can respond to the bot and let's tell them we want the area of a square. And now our bot is going to immediately reply and give us the formula, the side squared is how you find the area for a square. So cool. So very simple questions. AI.AI picks up on that, scans our database, and attempts to answer them. So now I'm going to go back to the question feed, and I'm going to answer a question as a human now. So I see a question here I think I know the answer to. What is a right angle triangle? I think I know that. So I'm going to go ahead and post an answer for this user that a right angle triangle has two 45-degree angles and one 90-degree angle. However, it seems like my answer isn't that great, and it might be a better to provide a visual to the user in this case. So I'm going to go ahead and also add a photo using the iOS native camera using this little camera button here. We're going to use our camera, and I'm going to take a photo of this drawing I just took on my whiteboard of a right angle triangle. You can see there that the image has been uploaded, and once we submit our answer, we will see the image along with our text. So there, we just posted an answer. I think that will do nicely. And let's go ahead and go back to the question feed again. And lastly, I just want to show our question archive, the bottom middle button there on the bottom of the screen. If we click that, we can see our feed of all the questions we've asked. And we can also see we have two new answers on one of them here, and we have closed one since we got a good answer. So since we've closed that answer, we can go ahead and delete it to remove it from our feed to keep that clean and only see questions we're interested in. That's it. Thanks for watching.